Okay, we have the Orballo printer that we've been assembling. We have a number of these. We've actually bought 3. We're going to put them into a production environment. Just really doing some pros and cons around the actual Orballo printer itself. This is a steel frame Black Edition II. Steel frame is excellent, absolutely bloody superb. It keeps all the axis really solid. I've braced my original Prusa, and there's no two ways about it. It does help with the quality of the print. It's well designed, it's good construction, taking the best from the Prusa side. You know, I can't fault it from that point of view. The cons are the printed parts that we've actually started using here, or that came with the printer, are actually PLA and about 25% infill. Prusa recommend the ABS at about 25%. I actually do PETG, and I use about between 50 and 70%, depending on what the print part is actually doing. So a mount, I will actually have it about 70% to make sure it's solid. I've suffered with the build of these where I've snapped the pinder sensor bracket because of the PLA not being strong enough, not being thick enough, and also a motor mount when trying to mount the motor and tension the belt. The only other thing that can be a pain on this is actually tuning the drivers for each of the motors so they're not overheating, and that can be quite fiddly because you can't take a reading off of the potentiometer. You have to put your multimeter wide in series from it, but I've done a video on that. Once set up, once printed, as you can see here, is absolutely superb. Print quality on the benchy side, whether you can see this, is excellent. And we are now going to put them to the test in doing some of our gear housings for automotive industry. That's a quick review of the Orballo. Thank you very much.